Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Cadillac XT5 headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a new bulb and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always make sure your vehicle is completely off and has cooled down to prevent any burns. The headlight assembly is typically accessed from behind the wheel well liner, so you'll need to prepare for that. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the mechanic. Now let's get to the bulb. Begin by turning your steering wheel fully towards the side you're working on. This gives you much better access to the wheel well. Next, you'll need to remove the T15 Torx fasteners that hold the wheel well liner in place. Once those are out, gently pull back the liner. This will reveal the back of the headlight housing, allowing you to reach the bulb. With the housing exposed, you'll find a small access cover. Twist this counterclockwise to remove it. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Now, grasp the old bulb, twist it counterclockwise and pull it straight out. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Insert it, twist clockwise to secure, and reconnect the electrical connector. Before putting everything back together, turn on your headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, carefully push the wheel well liner back into place and secure all the T15 Torx fasteners. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.